Panchami, the Amrit Snan at Mahakumbh. Devotees from across the country have arrived in large numbers, and as of now, over 16 lakh people have already taken a dip. Several more lakhs expected to come in through the day. We're seeing visuals of the akhadas taking a holy dip one after the other, and the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has left no stone unturned to ensure security arrangements, elaborate arrangements are in place. He has also extended wishes on Basant Panchami. He says, and I quote, heartiest congratulations to the revered saints, religious leaders, all akhadas and devotees who earned virtue by taking the holy Amrit Snan at the sacred Triveni Sangam on the auspicious occasion of Basant Panchami in the Mahakumbh, unquote. Meanwhile, top officials in the UP government are also working to ensure strict adherence to the Chief Minister's directive of maintaining a zero-error event, and these directives came into force after the stampede on Mauni Amavasya on the 29th of January. Since the 13th of January, the Mahakumbh so far has seen over 33 crore devotees participating in the Amrit Snan. The visuals on your screens are live visuals from the spot. The sadhus have taken a dip, the akhadas leading the way, after which the devotees are also taking a dip. A lot of arrangements have been put in place currently, with a command center also in place to ensure a hawk's eye for smooth crowd management through continuous monitoring.
My second Mahakumbh, I have been in 2021 in Haridwar. I was blessed to do 4 Sakhi Snans, but this one is very special for me because it's my birthday today, and I always celebrate my birthday at the time I was born. I come from Slovenia, so it's 1:25 in the morning, so this was time here 6:55 in the morning, and I came just to Sangam here at 6:50, just 5 minutes before my birthday. I enter and I celebrated my birthday dipping here. It's something I don't have words to explain. Just very grateful.
Once in your lifetime, this is the most biggest party in the world, and everything is fantastic. Goat bumps, it's the word to stay awake 24 hours. Next 4 years I will come each time. I do my best to come to India. So it's yeah, you must be here to experience. You cannot tell it by pictures or something. This is fantastic.
There's nothing to elaborate. There only to live, to be in the here and now, because that's the only truth. It belongs to, you know, to your heart, you know. Just be happy to live and to be truly in what you do, you know. So I have no expectation. I'm so happy to be here. Here and now is enough for me today, you know.
You have taken a holy dip in Triveni?
Oh yes, I did, but I forgot to take Ganga Jal. I will come back to, because I need to bring home to friends and to share to friends, and also some people who left, and it's a very special day to me. Har Har Mahadev.
It's unbelievable, it's amazing, it's once in a lifetime experience. I couldn't ask for more, it's amazing. Well, I've never seen anything like that. It's hard to believe, it will take me time to process, but I really think that this is out of this world. It's amazing. I didn't know, you know, actually I began to understand now the people of India, you know. I was here before, but I never saw it this way. Now I understand more the religion and how it's, you know, people are really into it so much that it's unbelievable.
My colleague Akanksha is joining us live from Prayagraj. Akanksha, it's truly a spiritual experience like no other. Like one of the devotees just said, it can't be seen in the pictures or the visuals. You truly have to be there to understand what the experience is like. What is it that you're witnessing around? Today is a very, very special day because it's the Basant Panchami Amrit Snan.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. Today is a significant day. The sun is out, the chants are getting louder, and the devotion is at its peak. This is the road that, in fact, goes to the Sangam Ghat, and the holy dip started at 4:30 a.m. The first akhada to arrive here was Mahanirvani Akhada, then Juna Akhada. Atal Akhada. There's several saints have already taken a dip at the Sangam Ghat. Naga sadhus have been coming since morning, and it is believed that only after Naga sadhus take holy dip, it is auspicious for the general public to go ahead and take holy dip. And 35 crore devotees have come to Prayagraj till now for Mahakumbh Mela, and more are expected to come to the Mahakumbh. Now the target of the UP government was that in the next 45 days, 45 crore devotees are going to come to Mahakumbh Mela, but it now appears that that number will be crossed very soon. So as you can see in the visual, several devotees have come to Prayagraj to take holy dip. In fact, several measures have also put in place to ensure the safety and security of the people after the stampede that took place on January 29th. Now the focus is on the security and also on the crowd management. Today, I request my camera person to show that side of the road. That is the area designated for the general public. This is the area designated just for the akhadas, and since morning we've been witnessing lakhs and lakhs of devotees who are coming to Mahakumbh to take the holy dip, and today is a very significant day. Mahakumbh Mela, the specific one, is happening after 144 years. People from all across the country and even beyond are coming for Mahakumbh Mela to take the holy dip. कहाँ से आए आप?
जी हम करनाल हरियाणा से राजेश टंडन कश्यप जी।
कैसा रहा आपका स्नान, व्यवस्था कैसी लगी आपको?
बहुत अच्छा रहा। हम योगी जी का, जो हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री योगी जी का, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का बहुत हार्दिक धन्यवाद करते हैं, और इस महाकुंभ में पहुंचे समस्त भारतवासियों को और विश्व से पहुंचे सभी श्रद्धालुओं को महाकुंभ पर्व की शुभकामनाएं देते हैं, बधाई देते हैं, और सभी से हम एक निवेदन करते हैं कि किसी भी तरह की अफवाह पर ध्यान ना दें, बहुत ही शांति के साथ इस महाकुंभ पर्व में आए और शांति के साथ स्नान करें, और जो हमारी सनातन संस्कृति है, भारतीय संस्कृति है, उनकी तरफ बढ़ने का प्रयास करें। हमारे जो हिंदू संस्कृति के जो हमारे धार्मिक ग्रंथ है, साहित्य हैं, वेद हैं, ग्रंथ हैं, पुराण हैं, उनकी तरफ जाएं, उनका अध्ययन करें।
और लोगों से बात करते हैं। यहाँ पे कहाँ से आए आप?
मुंबई से मैम।
कैसा रहा आपका स्नान, व्यवस्था कैसी लगी आपको? यहाँ पे भीड़ भाड़ लगी?
मैनेजमेंट वगैरह सब ओके था, सभी
आराम से आपके स्नान हो? क्या कहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा लगा नहा के, और महाकुंभ में अब देख ही रहे कितना अच्छा व्यवस्था है, बहुत अच्छा लगा हम लोग को। हमारे सब दोस्त लोग आए, स्नान किए, भगवान का नाम के हर हर महादेव।
क्योंकि स्टैम्पीड हुआ था, उसके बाद काफी लोगों के दिल में भय था कि आएंगे यहाँ भीड़ भाड़ होगी। आपको क्या कुछ लगा यहाँ पे धक्का मुक्की हुई है, भीड़ भाड़?
तो सरकार ने व्यवस्था वगैरह, मैनेजमेंट योगी जी ने अच्छा किया। यहाँ पे पुलिस वगैरह भी है, कोऑपरेट कर रही है, अच्छी व्यवस्था है।
So Pratibha, several measures have been put in place to ensure the safety and security of people. If you talk about the security arrangements, let me show you the visuals here. For crowd management and security arrangements, several new roads have been opened, barricades have been put up. The devotees have been asked to go to other ghats as well. In fact, the most important point is that devotees have been asked not to sit near the Sangam Ghat. It is because what happened on January 29th, that there were a lot of people who were sitting near the Sangam Ghat, and then there was a surge in crowd which led to the stampede-like situation, and then after that several directions were given to the devotees. Chief Minister was also in Prayagraj. He met with the officials, he met with those who received injuries. He said that this time the Amrit Snan should be made, be a zero-error Snan in fact.
So we'll come back to you in just a moment. Let's show our viewers the visuals on the screen. Sadhus taking a dip for the Amrit Snan, and it's a very significant day in the Hindu calendar, and devotees also following in. Today is all the more special because it is Vasant Panchami. It honors Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, music and art, and today symbolizes the renewal of life, creativity and spiritual growth. The devotees who have taken a dip spoke about their experience. Listen in.
बहुत सुंदर स्नान हुआ है और मैं सबको आशीष देती हूँ। माँ भगवती सबको खुश रखे, समरसता रहे, भारतवर्ष में उन्नति हो, यही किन्नर अखाड़े से आशीर्वाद है।
हमने यही कहा सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुर्भाग् भवेत्। सभी सुखी रहें। और आज का जो हमारा प्रयास है बहुत ही अच्छा स्नान रहा। मेला प्रशासन को आशीर्वाद साधुवाद, हमारे योगी जी को आशीर्वाद साधुवाद, सभी को आशीर्वाद साधुवाद और जनता को स्नान करने का अवसर मिले यही हमारा प्रयास है।
So it's a spiritual experience like no other. One of the devotees also saying that until you come to Prayagraj, be a part of the Mahakumbh, you will not be able to understand the significance of the day. Amrit Snan literally translates to bath of immortality. This is a ritual where devotees immerse themselves in the sacred waters, in the confluence of waters. You're seeing the visuals on the screens. And several of the devotees spoke about the arrangements that are in place and the significance of the day. Listen in.
और देखिए इस वक्त हम संगम नोस पर मौजूद हैं, अखाड़े जा रहे हैं और अब जूना अखाड़े के प्रमुख स्वामी अवधेशानंद जी हमारे साथ हैं। महाराज जी, अमृत स्नान, आखिरी अमृत स्नान, बसंत पंचमी का दिन, एक अलग और विशेष महत्व, क्या कहेंगे आप करोड़ों सनातनियों से?
मनुष्य के अनेक दुख उसके अज्ञान के कारण है। यह स्नान इस बात का प्रतीक है कि हम अपनी ब्रह्म सत्ता को, ईश्वरी सत्ता को अनुभूत करें। हम नित्य और सनातन है, शाश्वत है, समीचीन है, प्रत्येक संदर्भ में नूतन और सामायिक है। हमारा अस्तित्व है। मैं केवल मन प्राण बुद्धि नहीं हूं, मैं एक अजय अनंत अविनाशी सत्ता हूं। अपने उस स्वरूप के बोध के लिए यह आज का हमारा स्नान है। अज्ञान का भंजन हो, देह का अध्यास टूटे और मैं अपने स्वरूप को, अपने सत्य को अनुभूत कर सकूं। इस निमित्त हजारों साधु, लाखों साधु, संत और ये सदगृहस्थ, योगी, यति, वानप्रस्थ, ब्रह्मचारी, वैदिक बटुक, हम लोग स्नान करने जा रहे हैं। सनातन संस्कृति एक ही परमात्मा ऐसा कहती है, वह सर्वत्र व्यापक है। एक ही ब्रह्म सभी रूपों में, नाना रूपों में, उसी का विस्तार है। उस एकत्व का हम अनुभव कर रहे हैं, उस समन्वय का। और हमारा यह एक दृश्य आप देख सकते हैं कि सामाजिक समरसता भी यहाँ दिखाई दे रही है। हम अलग अलग पंथों में बटे हुए भारतीय संगम के तट पर एक है, तो ये सामाजिक समरसता के भी दर्शन।
1000 अश्वमेध यज्ञों के बराबर पुण्य मिलता है अगर बसंत पंचमी में कुंभ के दिन कोई स्नान कर ले, तो एक बड़ा मौका पुण्य कमाने का भी है।
बिल्कुल, हमारे शास्त्र कहते हैं 1000 अश्वमेध यज्ञ करने का जो पुण्य और फल है वो गंगा के तट पर पहुंचने मात्र से है। अगर डुबकी लग जाए तो जीवन का तारण होता है।
29 जलग, इस बार सब कुछ बहुत व्यवस्थित दिख रहा है।
योगी सरकार को बधाई है। उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय योगी जी अत्यंत संवेदनशील है और उनका ये उत्तम कोटि का प्रबंध अत्यंत प्रशंसनीय है और साधुवाद हो।
टाइम्स के जरिए महाराज जी आप क्या कहेंगे पूरे हिंदुस्तान से, भारत से और उसके साथ ही करोड़ों सनातनियों से जो इस वक्त आपको देख और सुन रहे हैं?
संसार भर के सनातनियों को और पूरे विश्व भर के आस्तिकों को मैं संदेश देना चाहता हूं कि भारत की संस्कृति में सारी समस्याओं का समाधान छुपा है। मनुष्य की जितनी दुविधाएं हैं उनका अंत केवल अध्यात्म है। जब मनुष्य आध्यात्मिक बनेगा तब वो अनुशासित भी होगा, पर्यावरण प्रेमी भी बनेगा, परिवार भी एकजुट रहेंगे, समाज में कोई भ्रांति नहीं रहेगी। और ये हमारा जय घोष रहा है कि हम पूरे विश्व को आध्यात्मिक बनाएं, पूरे विश्व को आर्य बनाएं, पूरे विश्व को बताएं।
महाराज जी एक आखिरी प्रश्न, इस महाकुंभ से अमृत क्या निकल रहा है?
भारत की एकता के दर्शन हो रहे हैं, सनातन संस्कृति का एकत्व और समन्वय यहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है। और ये जो एकत्व है ये कहीं नहीं दिखाई देता। हम सब एक हैं, उस एकता के दर्शन आप यहाँ कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है, आप देखिए जूना अखाड़े के प्रमुख स्वामी अवधेशानंद जी से ये बातचीत और हिंदू एकता का ये दर्शन है। करोड़ों सनातनियों के लिए 1000 अश्वमेध यज्ञों के पुण्य मिलता है अगर बसंत पंचमी में कुंभ में आपने स्नान कर लिया। तो ये तस्वीरें अद्भुत है, अलौकिक है, दिव्य है, देवलोक का एहसास कराते हुए। कैमरामैन रवि।
On Mauni Amavasya Amrit Snan, a tragic stampede-like situation had cast a shadow over the celebrations, but devotees have come out in huge numbers to speak about the arrangements that have been put in place, and it has not deterred the devotees who want to take a holy dip. The administration has also taken extra precautions to ensure smooth proceedings. We are told Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also been monitoring the situation and the arrangements in place. He has been up since 3:30 a.m. an hour before the Amrit Snan was to take place, taking minute-by-minute updates at the command center at his official residence.
जितने भी प्रेशर पॉइंट्स थे वहाँ पे पुनः डिप्लॉयमेंट किया गया, रीडिप्लॉय करी गई है फोर्सेस और कहीं भी इस तरीके की सिचुएशन भीड़ नियंत्रण में समस्या नहीं है। सब बहुत सकुशल चल रहा है। शासन का और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो पुलिस के जो जगह जगह पे सुझाव हैं, दिए गए हैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस, वो काइंडली बस फॉलो करते रहें साइनेजेस।
Akanksha has been live with us since morning. The Amrit Snan began as early as about 4 to 4:30 a.m. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath keeping a track of the arrangements and the developments there on the ground. We saw visuals of great religious significance as well. It's on the screens. Devotees and sadhus taking a holy dip. Akanksha, what are the arrangements in place after what happened during the previous Amrit Snan? What are the changes that you're witnessing on the ground in terms of the arrangements that have been put in place by the administration?
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. After the stampede that took place on January 29th, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has directed officials to make sure that this particular Snan, that is today's Basant Panchami, Amrit Snan, should be made completely error-free and there should be no scope for error at all. In fact, since morning, he has been keeping a close eye on each and every movement, each and every update as far as the Mahakumbh is concerned. He was in Prayagraj day before yesterday. He met with the officials here. He went to the incident spot. He also met with the people who received injuries in the hospital. He took stock of the situation, and after that several changes were made as far as the arrangement is concerned. Several measures have been put in place to ensure the safety and security of people. If you talk about the security arrangements, then there is presence of SDRF, NDRF. You can see UP police there on horses patrolling on this particular road. They all are on high alert. In fact, if we talk about the crowd management, that remains the focus of the authorities here. People who are coming here, they've been asked to go to different ghats. For example, not just Sangam Ghat, but they can also go to Arel Ghat. They can take a boat to the Sangam point from there, and that will ease up the crowd, is what the authorities have said. Also, other than that, sensitive locations have been pinpointed by the authorities so that they can carry out the surveillance through drones as well and see where the crowd is leading to. Several new roads have been opened for public. Roads have been made one way, which means that the devotees which are going to take holy dip, they don't come face to face with the devotees who are yet to take the holy dip. So several arrangements have been put in place to ensure that there is seamless movement of the devotees. There's no crowd, there's safety and security. If we talk about the bridges that have been made here, there are as many as 30 bridges which connect akharas to the Sangam Ghat and several other ghats. As far as those are concerned, last time they were completely closed, but this time 18 of the 30 pontoon bridges have been opened to public. The focus is on the security and the crowd management, Pratibha.
Okay, all right, Akanksha, we'll come back to you for those updates. Very quick break now. Viewers, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.